This activity is called Humpty Dumpty. It works on facilitating postural reactions, equilibrium or righting reactions, as well as postural stability and core strength. Incorporating a song such as Humpty Dumpty helps a child to anticipate falling into cushions and provides additional proprioceptive and vestibular input. At home, using an exercise ball and kneeling in front of the ball and placing the child on top of the ball, supporting them around their hips, is the preferred starting position. A parent can sing Humpty Dumpty whilst gently or firmly bouncing the child on the ball, depending on how sensitive or how much need they have for movement, to the song, and when Humpty falls off the wall, the parent would shift the child by rolling the ball sideways into cushions. Falling onto them gently, applying pressure, or if tolerated, tickling is also an added option.
Humpty Dumpty! Humpty Dumpty had a great fall! Now wait there.